You ever look at your keyboard and think, yeah, that's disgusting? I tried wiping it down, didn't help. Blowing on it, even worse. So I got this. The Portronics Tez air duster. And wow, this thing is a lifesaver. It's got crazy powerful motor, 80,000 RPM, which basically means it blasts away dust like nothing. What I like is that you can control the airflow. Need a light breeze? Done. Need full power? Boom. Runs for about 40 minutes, charges with Type-C, so no weird cables lying around, and it's rechargeable, so no more buying those expensive compressed air cans. It's also lightweight, has a nice grip, and honestly, I didn't think I would use it this much, but now I'm kind of addicted to clean everything with it. So yeah, if your setup, gadgets, or even your car interior needs a quick clean, this thing works. Not saying you need one, but if you hate dust as much as I do, it's pretty solid. Just thought I would share. Now there are a few things I would like to point out before ending this video. This power button and the controller you see on the front would be better if it was on the back, and it would be easier to handle in my case. The second thing I would like to talk about the attachments. This is the best attachment, I would say. This one is good if you are blowing your wet hair, but this one, now as soon as I turn this on, I can also a lot of air shooting back from this vent, and at the same time it is shooting from this side, but it's hot air. That means motor is struggling to handle the airflow. I think this very thin barrel is causing the problem. Apart from this, everything seems good, and also the charging is really quick. Now let me show you how to indicate if your device is fully charged. If the indicator light keeps blinking when you put it on charge, that means device is charging, and if the indicator light stays continuously on, that means device is fully charged. Now you don't want to overcharge your device and degrade the battery, so just plug it off. So this was pretty much it, guys. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.